Hello everyone, my name is Mianna Leyvas. Today's date is February 18th of 2018. Today I will be working on the video lab portion of week 6. This week our topic is on the digestive system. So we are asked to describe the digestive process for this week's video, and we are to imagine that we eat a cheeseburger, I believe it is, and describe how it is broken down during the digestion and the different organs that it goes through, and describing the process and how it's broken down. So to start off, the digestive system is made up of the GI tract, which is known as the gastrointestinal tract, and then also the liver, I believe it's the pancreas, yes, and the gallbladder. Going back to the GI tract, the gastrointestinal tract is made up of the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, then leading into the small intestine, the large intestine, and then down to the anus. So if we are to imagine that we eat a cheeseburger, the process would be, of course, us beginning on taking a bite of the cheeseburger. So as we take a bite on the cheeseburger, and also I made some notes to help me describe. So of course it's going to be the mouth. Now with the mouth, as you chew your food, your saliva moistens the food, which allows it to go down your esophagus smoothly and easier. So going down to the esophagus, its job is to push the food down from your throat down to your stomach. That's why you need your saliva, so that the food is moistened and it'll be easier to pass through. Next will be the stomach. Now with the stomach, the lining of the stomach forms a stomach acid and different enzymes that help break down the food. So once the cheeseburger that you bit into reaches the stomach, the acids will then work its way on breaking it down, and then will lead it on into the pancreas. Now with the pancreas is what breaks down the carbohydrates as well as different proteins and different fats. So whatever is remaining from the pancreas and whatever is remaining from the cheeseburger that you ate will then pass on into the small intestine. Now with the small intestine, I believe I got that right. Yes. So with the small intestine, what the small intestine does, it basically completes the breakdown of the food. So when you bit into that cheeseburger, as it goes from your mouth all the way down to your pancreas, it will then go into the small intestine, which then again is broken down more, breaking away different enzymes and different particles that can be removed within that acid, and then going down into the large intestine. Now inside the large intestine is more breaking down of the food, of course, but with that portion of the intestine, whatever cannot be broken down any longer, the remaining of the hamburger that you bit into, or the remaining of the cheeseburger that you bit into, will then turn into stool, which leads down into the anus. Thank you so much.